Hey guys, this is Aronica Cole and welcome to Aronica Cole Creates, a channel that I share just random things that I'm creating. There is rhyme or reason as I am a certified sewist and addicted to fabric, which is why today we're going to do a fabric haul from the latest and greatest purchases at So English Fabrics. You can find So English Fabrics at soenglishfabrics.com, and there you can find a wide array and variety of different fabrics to meet all of your sewing needs. So I was going to pick up the box, but it's really big, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull things out and share with you what I got. Okay, so let's get into the first fabric. This is, according to my list, this is Polyspun, and it's like I'm gonna come closer so that you can really get into what this fabric is looking like. It's like a kind of like a beige and taupe snake skin print. And again, this is a, it looks like it is a spun poly spandex. So let's take a look at what this stretch is looking like. Right here is my selvage. So we have excellent horizontal stretch right here. We've got some vertical stretch, not nearly as much as the horizontal stretch, and it has a really good weight to it. So I can see a little bit through it, but this is excellent. I have no idea what I bought it for, but this is fine. Let's move on to our next fabric. Okay, so I got these big dots because I got smaller dots from So English already that's in this charcoal print. So this is a French terry, which is awesome. It's got really great horizontal stretch. Our vertical stretch is so whatever you make with this is going to need only two-way stretch, as that's all we have really. I planned on pairing it with the dotted fabric that has the smaller dots to just kind of do a play on the different sizes and dots. Okay, so I got this for my daughter. My middle daughter loves rainbows. How cute is this? This is a double brush polyester. So vertical stretch. It's got some vertical stretch, probably about 50% vertical stretch by definitely 100% horizontal stretch. So this is excellent. We can use this for dresses, leggings, etc. I definitely plan on making her a dress set with this, with matching shorts, because she's 6, she likes to twirl, and I like to make sure that her panties are covered. Okay, so I've lately fallen in love with, really have been loving rib knits. And so this is a coral Pontel slub. So it's not quite ribbed, but you can see the texture in there, and I am absolutely loving it. So this is the horizontal stretch. This is our vertical stretch, so not as much vertical stretch. And it's a little bit thinner, so this is going to make a phenomenal top, maybe a sweater, cardigan. I don't think I would do a dress in it just because like it's a little see-through through some of the areas on there, but beautiful fabric. Oh, I'm super excited about this. This is a thin stripe. Let me see. Let's see. This is, goodness, I don't see it on here. Oh, here we go. This is the Peach Performance. And now, friends, if you have never touched Peach Performance, you are missing out. Peach Performance is like the top of the tier performance wear, right? But here's the beautiful thing about performance fabrics. You can use it for other things besides performance fabrics, which is what I absolutely plan on doing for this. So let's get into the stretch factor here. So we've got 100% stretch. This is horizontal. 100% stretch vertical as well. So excellent 4-way stretch. I cannot wait to create with that. So I know right now, like, culottes are back in. People are acting like culottes, this is like the first time they've hit, fashion. It is not. So what I plan to make with that is like one of those little culotte dresses that has the shorts underneath and is kind of like a spaghetti strap that can be absolutely worn for like workout, but also can be worn around. So looking forward to that. I'm gonna move a little bit faster. Okay, so I got this for my son. This is a French terry, which is perfect for some like little pants or joggers for him, some sweat shorts. And so we've got some really great stretch going vertical. And we also have really great stretch going horizontal. This is a cotton spandex French terry, so it's softer than most French terries. Amazing. Okay, so I got this because a fellow sewist had used it and they made something. These stripes are, we've got mustard, blue, and then black. And it's on a beige background. And this is a cotton spandex. I typically do not like cotton spandex. What I'm wearing is actually cotton spandex too. I'm very particular about it because cotton spandex can feel a little rough to me. This is super soft. And as we can see, excellent stretch. I plan to make a shirt with this. I know, so basic, but the stripes give it so much just kind of extra zhuzh here. So this is just kind of like a basic brown, and it's a bamboo knit. For those that don't know, bamboo is really a sustainable alternative to some of the additional fabrics. Now, I do wear polyester. Polyester is terrible for the earth. Bamboo is an excellent alternative, but it doesn't come in all the prints and things that I like. So that's what this is. And I just love the color. It just goes with a lot of the neutrals that I already have in here. Let's grab another stack. Boom. Okay, so how cool is this? This is a performance mesh. So get into that, right? This pattern is super cool. And I got this because I had gotten some additional mesh for my son to make him some like little shorts to run around in and for the summer. And I was like, oh, this will be a perfect contrast. I already have white and I also have red. So I was thinking that this would be perfect for him because I love how he looks. And these colors, the olive green colors, he looks amazing in them. And then, so I got this pink. It said that it was a solid mauve, but it feels more pink to me. I'm like, just in case, maybe I didn't. Nope, this is it. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So it was on the site as a mauve. This definitely feels like actually a more bubblegum pink to me. And this is also a bamboo knit. It feels fantastic though, and I'm sure my kids will absolutely love it. All right, so let's get into this thickness here. This is a heavy cotton spandex rib. This has excellent recovery, so this is really great for sleeve cuffs or neck bands. I like to work with a lot of gray-based fabrics, but they have patterns on them. And like if you work with a fabric from Joann's that's like from the juvenile section, it doesn't have enough recovery for an excellent neckband. So I got this so that I could have a steady flow of fabric that is excellent for it. It's super heavy, not particularly breathable, but perfect for those things that really require that ribbing. So think your cuffs, neck bands, etc. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Again, for my rainbow loving girl. It's so super soft. This is, let's see, I want to say it's a double brush polyester, but it almost feels softer than this. Yeah, it is a double brush polyester. It's a fuchsia color. So English also had it in another color background base, but my goodness, this feels so good. Really soft. Again, she loves dresses. She's like supreme girly girl into all of those things. So this is very excellent for her. This is some more bamboo knit. Phenomenal. Oh, and how cute is this? Okay, so look at these paper airplanes. The paper airplanes are also a double brush polyester. And there you go. And so I love the versatility of this. I got it with my son in mind, but actually I could actually see both of my girls wearing it as well. Okay, so now we got a little something for mama. Y'all look at this. I don't even know how to open it up, but it's like a lace right? But look at these, get into these details here. Oh, come on, somebody. Get into that detailing. This is amazing. Don't know what I'm going to make with it yet, but it's going to be super sexy because, well, why not? Hot Mom Summer loading. Let's see, what was that? That is the solid black scalloped stretch lace by the Yard. Amazing. I didn't even know it was going to come for that little tassel detail there. Okay. So I've been working more with wovens and wanting to work more with some wovens. So this one right here is a Crinkle Rayon, and it's got burgundy stripe. Beautiful. I plan on making maybe a jumpsuit with this gorgeous fabric. I ordered 6 yards of that because when sewing with woven and having a plus size body, I want to make sure I can make enough of it. And then I did get this stretch denim, right? Because come on, it's short season. So I thought it would be really fun to get this for my kids and maybe me too. It's a stretch denim. It does not have very much stretch, maybe about 10-15% stretch right here. That's it though. No vertical stretch, okay, friends? All right, we are nearing the end of the box, so let's finish up strong. Oh, okay, I lied. All right, now we have everything out the box. Okay, so I got this. This is a Peach Performance as well. This glitter ombre situation. And I got this so that I could make my kids some like workout based attire as well. How gorgeous is this? And it's that Peach Performance, so it's peak made. So this is a pattern, a fabric that is exclusive to So English. This is your Blush Lily. I'm not going to talk about how many times I have bought this colorway, but I just love it. It is so gorgeous. We've got like layers upon layers of neutrals, creating such a beautiful texture there. And then look at this. Look at this pink stripe, right? So I'm really into blushes, not too pink, but so this is the back of it, right? And then this is the front. So now the front has the texture or the loops on it from the French terry, which I actually really am enjoying how that looks. So much texture. And then this one right here is a vertical chambray. Again, I've been working way more with woven fabrics, and oh, this is so pretty. It goes with the colorway of everything else. And it came in a bundle with this bone colored Ponte Knit, which Ponte Knit should be part of everyone's fabric stash because it's so versatile. When you think about like pants or clothes that you travel with or travel in that do not have like wrinkles, they're talking about this Ponte Knit. It is such a staple. It feels like you're wearing sweatpants or like pajamas, but you look super classy. Now, my favorite color of the season, right, of every season is this mustard. And I'm loving the depth of this mustard. It's almost like a cross between mustard and rust. And this is a double brush polyester, so it's giving us life with stretch. So we've got, this is actually the the horizontal stretch right here is our selvages on this side. And then the vertical stretch, to note, is not at 100%. Sometimes double brush polyester will get us caught up because it almost as a standard does go to 100% both ways, or rather 100% in this 4-way stretch. Not this time. And then because I can't get enough tie-dye, so this is a thermal tie-dye. I mean, I'm not wearing it now because it's blazing hot pop and R&B in Georgia, but come on. Once it's not. And then I'm loving, so my favorite colors are to like wear are these earthy tones. So like this olive green. So I did get this olive green because I hate for things like this to be sold out when I want it. This is a Pontel in cotton jersey. So very breathable. It is a little on the thicker side. So just so that you can see here, you can absolutely see through it. But it's still thicker. It's a tighter weave, giving that thickness. Love it though. And then let's get into this. So I had no idea what I was expecting with this. This is a heavy stretch woven cotton spandex, because typically I only buy cotton spandex and it's stretchy. So I was kind of intrigued, dare I say. And this is phenomenal. So it's got, I'm trying to find like this area here. So we have stretch to it, right? Look at this. We have about 20% stretch here, which is really great for a woven fabric. And then vertical, there's 0. But this right here is really, really nice. I'm loving this. And then our final fabric is more rainbows. This is a double brush polyester, and it has the blue base. And I love this. I just love it so much. I love rainbows too, I'm not gonna lie. Rainbows and dinosaurs, love them. You know, you're never too old to wear them. So that's that. And friends, that ends my first unboxing on my channel. So thank you so much for joining me. If you have any suggestions for any of the fabrics, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comments. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now, and I'll see you next time.